So there you have it. That's the A1000 with my camera mounted on it. I've got a little Rode pickup mic on top, and just to show you the kind of smooth movement it does. So that's on the panning mode, and I can make it tilt up, tilt down, and pan one side or the left, and all that. So it's a handy little thing, and it stays really smooth, and it doesn't matter what I seem to do. I think I'm going to have to take off that lens cover, but that's pretty much what it does. So it was fairly easy to set up. First of all, you have to set it in this axis, and then in this axis, and then in that axis. So once you've got it all done over 3 axes, it fits nicely. It works great. So there you have it. This is my workstation you see in the background. And there you go. So my messy desk. But a tidy desk is a sign of a sick mind. Pretty soon you'll be seeing super smooth action. Alright, that's just showing you another scenario with a mobile phone. That's the Samsung S9 Plus, and also with the different kind of clamp, I can mount this cold shoe attachment on top for a microphone and a lamp that can go on top of there. So that's all to come, but that's it basically. So it'll take everything up to a standard single lens reflex camera. So there you have it, very attractive and usable gimbal. Good things to come, boys and girls. Stay tuned. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.